Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable assistive touch on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in this, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on touch, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on assistive touch. You come here to assistive touch, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color it's gone, that's mean assistive touch disable with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.